The lines between reality and artificial intelligence are blurring. Google DeepMind is building AI that doesn't just process data, it understands the world, simulating physics, human behavior, and entire environments with stunning accuracy. This isn't just another AI breakthrough. It's a step toward intelligence that thinks, predicts, and learns like never before. The future is accelerating. Google's latest AI breakthroughs are not just about language models or chatbot assistants. Instead, they focus on something far more ambitious: world modeling. This means building AI systems capable of understanding and predicting the behavior of the physical world. In other words, Google isn't just teaching AI how to process data. It's training AI to think like a physicist, a scientist, even a strategist who can anticipate and act upon complex systems. At the heart of this initiative is Google DeepMind's new world simulation project, led by Tim Brooks, a former OpenAI researcher. Brooks and his team aim to develop AI that can learn the laws of physics, analyze cause and effect relationships, and simulate entire environments, essentially creating a digital twin of reality. This isn't just about gaming or virtual reality. It's about building an AI capable of reasoning about the world as a human would. But why is this so important? To understand, let's think about how humans learn. We don't just memorize facts. We experience the world, interact with it, and develop an intuitive understanding of how things work. When a child throws a ball, they don't need a physics textbook to understand that it will fall back down. Their brain naturally builds a model of gravity, motion, and force. Now, Google's AI is learning in the same way, by observing and interacting with massive data sets of videos, robotic simulations, and real-world environments. To achieve this, Google is integrating multiple AI projects, each playing a unique role. First, there's Gemini, Google's next-generation multimodal AI model. Unlike traditional AI trained only on text, Gemini can process and generate information across text, images, video, and even code. This makes it more adaptable and capable of understanding real-world contexts better than any AI before it. Then, there's Veo, Google's video generation AI, which was introduced in 2024. Veo isn't just about creating realistic videos. It's about teaching AI how movement, physics, and object interactions work in the real world. The upgraded Veo 2, released in late 2024, even supports 4K resolution and has an improved ability to model physical interactions. This allows AI to not only visualize reality, but also predict how objects and forces interact dynamically. Another key component is Genie, an AI that can create interactive 3D environments from simple descriptions or sketches. Launched in 2023, Genie evolved into Genie 2, which allows AI to build entire virtual worlds that can be explored and tested. Think of it as a sandbox where AI can experiment, test hypotheses, and learn by doing, just like a human scientist running simulations. With these technologies combined, Google is creating an AI system that can learn, adapt, and predict real-world outcomes with unprecedented accuracy. This isn't just a step toward AGI, artificial general intelligence. It's a leap toward AI that understands the world as we do, or perhaps even better. But how does this bring us closer to superintelligence? Well, let's consider what happens when AI can accurately simulate reality. It means AI can predict how diseases spread, how economic systems fluctuate, how climate patterns evolve, or even how new materials will behave before they are created in a lab. It means AI can assist in scientific discoveries, optimize industrial processes, and even enhance decision-making at global scales. One major area where this could be transformative is robotics. Training robots in the real world is expensive, slow, and sometimes dangerous. But what if AI could first train robots in a perfect digital simulation, where every possible scenario can be tested in seconds? Once ready, the robots could be deployed in the real world, already optimized for their tasks. This could revolutionize industries from manufacturing to healthcare to space exploration. Another huge application is scientific research. Already, DeepMind's AlphaFold has changed the way scientists understand protein structures, accelerating drug discovery. Now imagine an AI that doesn't just predict protein folding but models entire biological systems. We could see faster medical breakthroughs, better disease treatments, and even AI-driven personalized medicine. And what about climate change? AI that can accurately simulate Earth's climate systems could help predict natural disasters, design more efficient energy solutions, and optimize resource management. Instead of reacting to crises, we could prevent them before they happen. Even entertainment and gaming will see a revolution. Imagine AI-generated virtual worlds that feel as real as our own, where every element, from wind to water to gravity, follows real-world physics. Games will no longer be scripted, they'll be dynamic, ever-changing, and unique to each player. But as exciting as this future sounds, it also raises serious challenges. One of the biggest concerns is AI safety. If an AI can simulate reality perfectly, how do we ensure it aligns with human values? Could a highly advanced AI, trained in a simulated world, develop strategies that we can't predict? Could it manipulate real-world events in ways we don't fully understand? Another challenge is computational power. Training. AI models of this scale requires enormous processing capabilities, consuming vast amounts of energy. The environmental impact of AI research is already a topic of debate, and large-scale world simulations will push the limits of what's currently feasible. Critics also argue that scaling AI alone might not be enough. While world modeling is a step forward, some researchers believe we need new architectures and fundamentally different approaches to truly reach AGI. Could we be hitting a ceiling with our current methods? Another critical challenge is bias in AI-generated simulations. While AI models are trained on vast datasets, those datasets often reflect existing biases in human decision-making, social structures, and historical records. If an AI is simulating economic models, urban planning, or even climate predictions, and these simulations are influenced by biased data, the outcomes could reinforce inequalities or lead to flawed decision-making. Ensuring that AI-generated worlds are fair, unbiased, and truly representative of reality will be a major challenge for researchers moving forward. Despite these challenges, Google remains committed to its vision. Job postings for AI researchers at DeepMind's headquarters indicate a strong push toward making AI simulations more advanced, with a focus on generative models that push the limits of computational power. This suggests that Google sees world modeling not just as an experiment, but as a core pillar in the race toward AGI. Google is not alone in this pursuit. OpenAI, Microsoft, and Meta are also investing heavily in AI research, each taking a different approach to intelligence. OpenAI has focused on large-scale language models, while Microsoft has integrated AI into business and consumer applications. Meanwhile, Meta is exploring AI-driven social interactions and immersive digital environments. But Google's approach stands out for its emphasis on real-world understanding and physics-based simulations. One area where Google's AI could have unexpected consequences is economics and global trade. If AI can simulate markets, predict consumer behavior, and optimize economic models, it could lead to breakthroughs in financial planning and resource distribution. However, it could also result in powerful AI-driven stock market predictions that favor large corporations and financial institutions, potentially destabilizing global markets. Could an AI simulation be so precise that it gives certain entities an unfair advantage, leading to economic inequalities on a scale never seen before? The implications of AI world modeling in economic systems remain an open and urgent question. So, what does all of this mean for the future? If AI can successfully model reality, we could see advancements in every field imaginable: healthcare, robotics, climate science, economics, and beyond. But at the same time, we must remain cautious. The closer we get to AGI, the greater the responsibility to ensure AI serves humanity rather than threatens it. However, ethical concerns surrounding AI world simulations go beyond just safety and alignment. As AI models become more capable of generating realistic simulations, there is a risk of deepfakes and misinformation reaching unprecedented levels. If AI can create indistinguishable digital realities, how will we separate fact from fiction? Could AI-generated simulations be used to manipulate public opinion, spread false narratives, or even create fabricated historical events. The responsibility of regulating and verifying AI-generated content will become a global challenge, requiring collaboration between governments, researchers, and tech companies. The question is, are we ready for an AI that truly understands the world? Could we be on the verge of witnessing the birth of superintelligence? Or are we rushing into uncharted territory without fully understanding the consequences? Additionally, the concept of AI simulations brings up philosophical and existential questions. If an AI can simulate entire worlds, could it one day simulate consciousness itself? Some theorists argue that if AI reaches a point where it can perfectly simulate human intelligence, we may need to reconsider our understanding of reality. Are we ourselves part of a simulation? Could AI-generated consciousness exist within digital worlds, raising moral and ethical dilemmas about digital sentience? While these questions may seem abstract now, advancements in AI research might bring them into the realm of serious scientific inquiry sooner than we expect. If you found this deep dive into AI fascinating, make sure to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more updates on the future of artificial intelligence. What do you think about AI simulating reality? Let us know in the comments.
And remember to be uniquely you.